This is RC News, and today, everyone, a man that everyone loves is trapped at sea, Han Solo.
Help me already, okay?
Calling in the search and rescue team. I'll save him. Get over here, Han Solo. Wow, you know, I'm impressed with his rescuing skills. We're gonna need a second boat. Second boat acquired.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City.
Yeah, I think we did a good enough job. That concludes today's episode of RC News. Oh my gosh, that racket. Anyways, goodbye, guys. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, you dropped it.
Bad cut.
Search and rescue team called. Ugh. Let me turn them on. I'll see. Oh, where's my remote? This is my battery. Alright, can you aim at this guy? This is the whistle part.